is how we do. You clean it up a little bit, otherwise burn. The heat was a bit too low. Nice. And then we just cook until the pot, completely cook. I can continue and you can put it right there. Take time, otherwise battery will be gone, and no more memory. Okay, now pot cook, right? Yeah. The next thing, the kale stem. This one, the stem, and then they're gonna be this one. Okay, next, the kale stem. The stem. Stem take longer to cook, right? You start it now with the stem. Start. No, the one we mix the mixture. Yeah. The oyster sauce, the soy sauce, you add them in. So a little bit lower. Okay. I'm gonna take water for you. Heat back on. So now, water, just a bit of water. Now you put the noodle in. Yeah, mix with the sauce. Mix them with the sauce. Use the spatula that way. Flip the spatula when you mix it. Right? Yeah, like that. Okay, now. Now we're gonna crack the egg. Yeah, let's see. So when you do the noodles, yesterday we did pad thai, remember? Yeah. Similar technique, but this one we can set on the side because we want the egg nice texture, but not scrambled egg. So we're gonna set on the sides of the noodle. You see, and break the yolk. See that? You can cook a little bit. And then, you see the egg kind of getting cooked a little bit. Slowly put it back in here. And then, you throw the leaf in. Yeah. See, the leaf cook fast. We don't want to add them too early because you want to have a nice texture, you see. I like the leaf, the kale leaf. Just perfect cook and crunchy. You can add the leaf before, but the thing is if you cook too long, it gets overcooked, you see. But this is normal, stuck a little bit because this is what happens when you pad eel. Because the noodle is fresh. And also what we do now is we don't want to make it more oil, like we don't want oily pad eel, you see, and no need water. Because pad eel is supposed to be dry now. See, you see the leaf, the kale leaf turn dark green, and then turn dark green. Then sprinkle with the black pepper. See this one? Yeah.